Did you know that growing your own upland rice can save you money while providing fresh food for your family? In this video, we'll explore the benefits of growing upland rice at home and how it can be a cost-effective solution for your meals. Food costs are skyrocketing, and it's getting harder to access fresh, healthy ingredients. I'm sure I'm not alone in feeling like I'm being priced out of eating well. It's frustrating when you want to cook a decent meal, but your wallet's screaming at you to stick to noodles and plain rice. And it's not just about the money. Relying on supermarkets and processed foods can be really detrimental to our health and well-being. Not to mention the environmental impact of all that packaging and transportation. It's no wonder people are looking for alternatives, and growing your own food is one of the most effective ways to take back control. One of the biggest advantages of growing upland rice is that it's ridiculously easy to do. I mean, you don't need a huge area, just a small patch of land and some basic knowledge, and you're good to go. And the best part is, you can grow it almost anywhere. Of course, that doesn't mean it's a magic solution. You still need to put in the effort to get it right. But with the right techniques and a bit of patience, you can be harvesting your own delicious, nutritious rice in no time. Growing upland rice is also an incredibly sustainable way to produce food. When you're not relying on industrial farming and long-distance transportation, you're reducing your carbon footprint dramatically. Plus, you're not contributing to the environmental degradation caused by intensive farming practices. So, what's holding you back from giving it a try? If you're worried about not having the space or the know-how, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll take you through the basic process growing upland rice, from preparation to harvest. The first step in growing upland rice is choosing the right variety for your climate and soil type. There are loads of different types out there, each with their own strengths and weaknesses, so it's essential to do your research and pick the one that's right for you. Once you've got your seeds, it's time to prepare the soil. Upland rice loves well-draining, fertile soil with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. When it comes to planting, make sure the soil is moist and well prepared. Then transplant the seedlings from the nursery bed to the rice garden when they reach the 3-leaf stage, planting 1 to 2 seedlings per hill at a depth of 4 to 5 centimeters. As your rice grows, make sure to keep the plants weed-free. It's also a good idea to fertilize your rice to promote healthy growth. And before you know it, your rice will be ready to harvest. Simply cut the stalks near the. Growing your own upland rice is just the first step in a journey toward a more sustainable, self-sufficient lifestyle. As you get more confident in your abilities, you'll start to see the possibilities, from preserving your own food to generating your own energy. The sky's the limit, and it all starts with a small patch of land and a willingness to give it a go. In summary, growing upland rice not only helps you save money but also encourages a sustainable lifestyle and healthier eating habits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more gardening tips and tricks.